Okay, this is a Dreamstation CPAP and heated humidifier. When you receive this, you want to take it home and set it up on a bedside table on the same side of the bed that you sleep on. Do not put it on a shelf above your head or in the bed with you. Now you will see there's two parts to the machine. This is the CPAP portion, this is the heated humidifier portion. On this side of the machine, we're going to see where the power cord goes, right here. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in first. We have a green edge that matches up to the green port. Then we have your power cord that plugs into the power assembly box. Okay, this plugs into either direction. It doesn't matter, just make sure you have it pushed in completely. All right, on the opposite side now we have where the filter is. This flips up. You can access your filter assembly by removing it. It has two types of filters. It has the small filter and the larger filter. The larger one is the filter assembly. It's washable and reusable. You do not take it apart. You wash this out weekly with soap and water. Rinse it, let it air dry. The smaller one is replaceable monthly. You can see on the filter it has these grooves at the top and the bottom. That allows attachment to the filter assembly by pressing it down good, and then it slides back in and you close the cover. Now you can access your water tank by pulling back on this lever on the top and pulling up on the lid. Your tank comes out and you put distilled water in it from the top. It has a fill line on each side to let you know not to overfill it. You need to drain this tank out every day and rinse it with white distilled vinegar and distilled water and let it air dry between use. Placing the tank back in with the hole in the front sits on the shelf on the inside. This closes and you press down till it locks in place. Then we have your tubing, which has both ends are the same. One end will connect to the machine outlet. The other will connect to your delivery system. Now you will see that this swivels back and forth, which allows you some range of motion during your sleep. Also, on removal of the tubing, you do not want to pull on this portion. You want to grab by the solid end and hold and slightly pull it to the side to remove it. Now we're going to plug in your machine and look at the controls. Okay, once you have powered your machine, you will see it lights up. This screen is your, it will go blank after it's been sitting there plugged in for a bit. Your power button is on top. Your machine will already be set with the prescription that your doctor has ordered. You press down to cut it on. The machine will come on at your prescribed pressure. This on the screen is your humidifier setting. This is how hard it's blowing. This is the pressure. This is the humidity. The humidity is adjustable by dialing the knob either up to turn it up for more humidity or down for less. You can turn it to 0 for no heated humidity. You may leave this at 3 to start with if you'd like, and we'll adjust accordingly. After the machine's been running for a bit, the screen will go blank. There won't be anything lit up while you're asleep. Also, you will see on the top beside the power button is a ramp feature. You may depress this feature if you are on a higher setting, and it will cut the pressure down temporarily to a lower pressure, and it will gradually increase it back to your prescription over the amount of time that has been selected. When you wake up and remove your delivery system, you will cut your machine off by pressing here. Your machine comes with an owner's manual that will also be in the bag. This is your owner's manual that will be in your bag. And it also comes with a bag which allows you to pack your machine up for traveling. You can place your owner's manual and your tubing here. Your machine will go here and your power cord here and your delivery system on top. You do not ever want to travel or pack your machine up with water still in the water chamber. On your cleaning recommendations, there are a couple of things that are recommended for daily cleaning. As far as the machine goes, we'll cover it first. It is the water tank. Remove it, drain the water out, rinse it out with a vinegar and water solution, a 1-to-1 ratio of distilled vinegar to distilled water. Let it air dry between use. Once a week, you will need to wash your tubing and your filter, your reusable filter. Remember, the reusable filter is the large one. Those need to be washed weekly with soapy water. Rinse them out, let them air dry. Also, once a month, you'll need to change out the small filter. Your machine comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, which covers general equipment failure. The warranty does not cover any items that have been dropped and broken or through water damage. Okay, your delivery system, when you get it, you need to clean it every day. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to call the number on top of your machine for any answers. We'll be glad to discuss and go over this with you one at a time. Thank you.